Hi, this is a quickie cooking with Judd. Not much cooking, just heat up a couple of gluten-free waffles. I like the cashy. They come 8 to a pack and they're the best tasting ones I found. So dollar for dollar, they're the cheapest and the best tasting. And I just put a different topping on them instead of butter and syrup, because butter I have a little trouble with now and then, even though I love it. But put a little different topping on them and they're very good and tasty and probably healthy, but they're tasty. So it's okay. Very simple, very quick, an easy one for you here. Do up a couple of cashy gluten-free waffles, and then we take a couple of these fruit cups. I like the ones with the cherry in it, and you get one to each waffle. Gotta be very careful opening these because that juice loves to squirt out. Okay, and you just dump that baby right on there, and that'll soak in. Boom. Okay, take a knife and fork to that and you're all set. Got a wonderful happy meal. Happy day to you.